Alrighty then, Danny boy. This is probably a scene that you've seen a lot. It's fucking rain, man. Check it out. Just absolutely coming down. And this is not, it's not coming down fast or extremely heavy like it does, you know, for short periods of time back home, but it comes down like this for a long time, and it's just always raining. And yeah, so I figured, you know what, while I'm waiting for all my food to get cooked, again, you might actually recognize this street. This is where we saw that ninja cat. Haven't seen him again, so he's definitely improved his skills. Yeah. So I don't know if the lens will get covered in water, and if, you know, you'd be a big droplet sitting there for 10 minutes and you won't see a bloody thing, but I don't know. I'll chance it. Living on the edge, mate. This is high risk living. Yeah, cheap thrills. Yeah, you can just see this is rain, everything's wet. Everything is wet. No matter how much you try and stay dry, like I am now. Let's see. I'm wearing this stupid little blue gown thing. Everything gets wet. It just takes time. Yesterday I was walking around in it and my shoes got absolutely drenched. And today they're still not dry. So just wearing me thongs. So over here I guess you'd call them cross trainers. Yeah. And yeah, it's not cold. It's just wet. Like, it's the middle of bloody winter and it does get cold overnight. But you know, it's not overly cold now. You just put a fucking jacket on. And then you just walk around. Then you get wet, and then you go home and you change to another jacket. Fucking, yeah, let's go down here. Never been down here. Yeah, they start them young. Yeah, so Danny, if you're looking at their scooters like we were talking about the other day, there's none of that underbone stuff that you were telling that's, you know, rampant through Southeast Asia. I don't know if it's because underbones are cheap, or if, you know, everyone here just likes the flat platform scooters for convenience, or if it's just I don't know, because everything here is automatic. Like, there's a little torque converter in there. Not even a torque converter, it's just one speed, 3 gears, and they go together, different ratios to give you different amounts of low end power or high end power, but you don't have the option to change gears like you do in you know, like this thing. So I guess that would change your fuel economy, and this isn't a country where people are as poor as they are in Southeast Asia, so maybe they just don't give a fuck about the fuel economy and go straight for convenience. I'm not sure. Or unless these things are just ridiculously cheap. No idea. Oh, hang on, this might be an underbone. Possibly not. I don't know. You tell me. You're the expert. Looks like it could be. Oh well. And this is almost the end of our trip. My food should be almost ready, if not already sitting on the table. But yeah. This poor sod. Still waiting a little bit. Oh, by the way, these fancy jacket things, what he's wearing, I'm wearing, you just pick them up from the, you pick them up from the 7-Eleven for about, I don't know, like $2, $2, and they're kind of like disposable things, right? You kind of use them and then throw them away when they break, and you expect them to break because they're just, you know, chunky little things. But if you're smart and you know where to buy them cheaper, you can buy them for like 80 cents. You know, different shops, and you can just get a whole box of them and stick them in your house. And when you need one, go out with it. But you know, I just get them on like a need basis. Because I've got an umbrella, and I spend most of my time indoors. Jesus, how much? Oh well, guess we'll never know. Anyway, I am starting to get too wet, and so I'm gonna go and eat some food. Yeah, okay, bye.